Welcome to Cooking with the Mexican. We got Mason here, and today we're teaching you how to make
the cheese drippy, bro.
Hey, wait, let's open the oven, chat.
They were opening the oven. Doesn't the noise of that smell make you cum? Now we gotta put this into there, which is also gonna make me cum. But Mason, record me doing it. Just record me. Just it's me. It's hot.
Use two hands.
Two hands are gay. But when you're on the using with Javier channel, use one hand because you're so cool. PJ Pickle Pants.
Closed up, chat.
And then we'll come black. And it should
minutes.
be fit in 28 minutes. So, hit the oven. After waiting 25 minutes, they are done. Did you record it? You must record it. Now, let me cook, check. Go down. Nope. Bend over.
Bending over into the chickens.
You always do one hand because I am the goat. Alright, now, get the plates.
Wait, you take this.
I know. Then you grab the plates. Hold up, back on there.
The heat from the oven burned me while I was throwing the tablets.
Now grab the plates. It's hot.
You take it.
That's how I thought it would be. Do it over. Flip it over again. Alright, now we close it. Because I am the goat
I already
still.
turned it up.
I am still the goat still, so. Oh, fuck.
Alright, wait, we need to use the oven mitts though right now. Should we just leave it
We'll just put it on like the thing back there again. So just grab it.
there? It's hot.
I'll do it then. Hold it. Fuck.
Cocaine.
And this is how you make tequila.
This is how you make the cartel.
The chicken chat. Chicken.
Trumpy chicken.
Give me back.
Trumpy. Alright, let's go.
How you make the chicken?